Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of converting 14 kilograms to pounds. Are you looking to convert 14 kilograms to pounds but aren't quite sure how to do it? Don't worry, it's an easy conversion that can be done in just a few steps. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step and provide examples to help you master this skill. First, let's review the conversion factor. 1 kilogram is equal to 2.20462 pounds. To convert kilograms to pounds, all you need to do is multiply the number of kilograms by the conversion factor. Let's walk through an example. Say you have 14 kilograms of rice that you need to convert to pounds. We start by multiplying 14 by the conversion factor of 2.20462. This gives us approximately 30.86468 pounds. And that's it, we're done. 14 kilograms of rice is equal to approximately 30.86468 pounds. But wait, what if you need to convert 14 pounds of sugar to kilograms? Don't worry, we've got you covered. To convert pounds to kilograms, you need to divide the number of pounds by the conversion factor of 2.20462. Let's walk through an example of how to convert 14 pounds of sugar to kilograms. We start by dividing 14 by 2.20462. This gives us approximately 6.35029 kilograms. But wait, we should round this number to the nearest hundredth, so our final answer is approximately 6.35 kilograms. And there you have it. Converting 14 kilograms to pounds and 14 pounds to kilograms is simple once you know the conversion factor. With a little practice, you'll be converting between kilograms and pounds in no time.